Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung Watch Active 2 to your OnePlus phone. First, make sure your watch is fully charged and powered on. Simply press and hold the home button until you see the Samsung logo. Next, confirm your OnePlus phone runs Android 5.0 or newer and has at least 1.5 gigabytes of RAM for optimal compatibility. These initial steps ensure a smooth and successful pairing experience. Now, let's get the essential application. Head over to the Google Play Store on your OnePlus phone. Search for and install the Galaxy Wearable app. This application is your central hub for managing your watch. Once installed, open it and accept all requested permissions. These permissions are crucial for the app to communicate effectively with your watch and unlock all its smart features. With the app ready, it's time to pair. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your OnePlus phone and tap Start the Journey or Add New Device. Your phone will then scan for nearby devices. Select your Watch Active 2 from the list. A 6-digit passkey will appear on both your watch and phone. Verify that these numbers match, then tap OK or Pair on your phone to confirm the Bluetooth connection. Almost there. The app might ask for a few more permissions, like access to your location or contacts. Please grant them. You may also be prompted to install additional plugins, such as the Watch Active 2 plugin, which are vital for full functionality. Once these are installed, simply follow the remaining on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You can then customize watch faces, notifications, and other settings to your liking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.